All right, so let's take a look at the Poolside solar light by Poolhacker. All right, here we go. This is it. I think it's just one unit. I don't think you really have a lot else that goes with it. Maybe it's got an amp that we have to do, I don't know. But, oh, so this is, I do believe that's the solar panel. And I guess you can, from what I see here, it looks like we could connect it somehow. Let's set it there. It does come with a remote control. Let's get it out of the package. And to activate it, you got to pull this thing out, right? So we've got some, I think this is some type of cement. Put it over here on the side with that. I do believe we're going to have to pull this out. This is your booklet. You're going to need to read this. This is the configuration we're going to be using because we've got an in-ground pool. And it basically kind of tells you how it works. Read it, you know, I'm not going to go over the whole thing. Set that over there. All right, so now we got to pull this piece out, and I do believe this is the bottom of it. All right, so this thing has got to be plugged into the other thing. And the question is, can we get it off of this, out of this package? There we go. All right, there it is. So here it is. That must be the on button. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, look. This thing, I guess it can only go on one way, right? So let's take a look at it. You know, so this has got to face out. See how it's got these little things? So they should just smush in there, right? You would think it goes like that, right? Yeah. All right, so now I've got it hooked up, right? And now all we got to do really is just stick it in the pool. And, you know, there's your on button there, right? And this is going to accumulate the sun on this pad. And that should be it right there. I mean, that's it right there, right? Take a look at it. And that's basically it. That's the unboxing. Since our pool is in ground, all we have to do is just set it right on the side like this. Push it in. And there's my shadow. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we just got to come back later and see how it looks. So here's the backyard. We've put the Poolhacker in there. And I'll just zoom in on it so you can see it. There it is, and it's charging right now. Tonight we shall check it out and see how beautiful it is.